Hello, I'm Bruce, the owner and general manager for It's Maid Day. Our goal is for you to make the most money in maid service, whether it's full time or part time. That's what we do. Everything else feeds off that one statement. If we pay the most and provide the most, we attract the best talent. Then we have the best product for customers. It's just that simple. And unlike other cleaning companies or job posting sites, we keep you busy. In fact, we guarantee it. If a customer cancels or you get locked out, no worries. We guarantee our people a full day of pay regardless what happens during the day. Nobody does that anywhere. And we never work you in a house past 4:30. Nobody else guarantees that. I mean, nobody. We also don't clean really nasty houses. In fact, we have a limit on how dirty a house can be. We tell 2 to 3 customers a week that their home exceeds our limits and that we're just not a good fit. How many other maid companies do that? Well, I'll give you the answer. The answer is none. We are the largest home cleaning company in Georgia because we're the best employer in Georgia. I know what you're probably thinking. This all sounds too good to be true, and I certainly get that from time to time. Well, we do put everything in writing. It's on our website, so that's important. We're Georgia's largest home cleaning company with multiple locations around Atlanta, so that says we're doing something right. We've been in business since 2010, so we're not new. And we have the most online reviews from customers than any other maid company. So our customers love us. Check us out. We're real. We have 2 programs, team cleaning and work from home for individuals. Regardless of the program you choose, we provide all employees with 4 days of paid training, which includes 2 full days of classroom training, where you'll earn your professional cleaning certificate from the world leader, Maid Training Academy. So whether you have lots of experience or none, we'll get you ready to clean like a professional. Team cleaning. Team cleaning is a great program if you prefer to clean with a partner. You drive a company car and clean 3 to 4 houses a day. A team consists of a team leader and 1 or 2 cleaning partners. Cleaning partners earn between $16 and $17 an hour, and team leaders 18 to 20. Click on Team Cleaning on our website for all the details, including pay and benefits. Our work from home program starts at $20 an hour, and you can earn up to $30 an hour. That's about $46,000 a year plus tips and bonuses. Yeah, you can make over 50 grand a year with us. You're a real employee, not 1099 contract labor. You get benefits, paid vacation, and you get to work from home. You clean 2 houses a day by yourself. Each job is between 3 and 4 hours. And just like our team cleaning, we never work you past 4:30 in the house. Click on Work from Home on our website for all the details. It's about 9 pages, and it should answer all of your questions. So what are our requirements? It's simple. It's so simple that just about anyone can do it if they really want to make the most money cleaning houses. Here it is. Tell us how much work you can commit to, and we'll build a schedule around you. The key word, though, is commit. In order for you to reach your goals and our goals, you have to be dependable and reliable to whatever schedule you choose. And when we say commit, let me break that down a little bit more so you know exactly what we mean. If you choose full time, Monday through Friday, 5 days a week, get here at 7:45 in the morning. You don't have you cleaning past 4:30, so you're back here to the office no later than 5. You can't miss more than 20 days a year. Now most companies will give you 8 to 10. We give you 20. That's about 2 days every month. If you need more time off than that, then you really can't commit to full-time work. That's okay. We don't need you to work full-time. You can work part-time, All we ask is that you be honest with us and yourself and your customers. What schedule you can be dependable 90% of the time. Now, our minimum daily schedule is a 3 to 4 hour time slot, typically 8:30 to 12:30, and or 12:30 to 4:30. You can work 1 day a week or 5. We don't care as long as we can count on you 90% or more of the time. The schedule you choose will determine the program that we can put together for you. Now, it sounds simple, but it's simple. It's not really as simple as it means sometimes. And unfortunately, lots of people say they want full time, but they just struggle with missing more than 2 days every month. Can you take a week off for vacation? Sure, people do it all the time here, but those people don't miss any work, and so they use their time off for vacation. So if you never miss work, you can take 4 weeks of vacation every year if you want. However, if you need more than 2 days off every month, then choose a lighter schedule that you can commit to. Customers hate to get bumped. They expect their homes to be cleaned on the day they are scheduled. Now, we do have backup cleaners that can help out when people call out. That's why we can give you as much as 20 days off a year. But if you exceed that, then we have a hard time having enough cleaners to cover those absences. And that's when customers leave and cancel service. We spend a lot of money getting you customers. Again, we're getting them for you as well as us. And we can't afford to lose them because we're not liable, because you're not reliable and dependable. It's just that simple. So the ball is really in your court. The opportunity to make a lot of money is completely in your hands. So what are the next steps? Read everything on our employment page on our website, and I mean everything. Again, we put everything in writing, a lot of details. After you review everything, submit a formal application, which is also on our website. We will contact you within 24 hours to answer any questions you have and then schedule your interview. Thanks for taking the time to listen to our proposal. We look forward to talking with you soon.